All right, it's Tuesday, so you already know what the question is. It's, would I still buy it? Tuesdays! Welcome back to Would I Still Buy It Tuesdays, the weekly series where we use these tools, abuse them a little bit. We just don't stare at them on a shelf, and we let you know a few months down the road after some use, would we still buy it today with our own money again? This week, we're talking about the Dremel Blueprint Saw Station, and we kind of like it. But let's get into it here. So, if you haven't seen this thing before, the Dremel Blueprint Saw Station is basically a portable cutting station designed to turn your compact saw into a more controlled, guided setup. Think cleaner cuts, more repeatability, and less eyeballing and hoping for the best. First impressions? It actually way more solid than I expected. Setup is pretty straightforward, as you see here as the woman demonstrated in the video. You're not fighting with it for 30 minutes just to make your first cut. And once it's dialed in, it feels consistent, which is a big deal for something in this category. Here's what we like about it. It makes repeat cuts way easier, especially if you're doing batches. It adds a level of control you just don't get freehand. It's compact, so it doesn't take over your whole workspace. And honestly, for smaller projects or DIY stuff, it just makes the process smoother, less measuring, less second guessing. That's a big deal for you DIYers. This kit comes with everything. It comes with the saw, the station, bevel guides, all kinds of stuff, clamps. Everything a DIYer or a homeowner needs who are not that familiar or confident in using a bigger circular saw, a table saw, or a miter saw. For somebody who just needs to trim out the door or the window once in a while or a cut here or there, this saw can actually make you look like a pro. This saw is also great for flooring, laminate floors, hardwood floors, anything that has to do with flooring and you gotta kind of guide the saw along the floor as you go. This thing would come in really handy, I think. I have cut flooring with it, and it did cut through it with no problem. So again, maybe a professional could use this. I just don't see a professional using this every day, beating the crap out of it. I just don't think it's that level of quality. But still, more than good enough to get some jobs done. It can make bevel cuts, miter cuts, straight 90-degree cuts. Anything you can imagine as a homeowner DIY, you can do with this portable saw station from Dremel. There's so many features in this portable saw station for DIYers and homeowners. I don't have that much time to tell you all in this video. I have already made a long format video on this tool. If you want to go back and take a look at that video, I go through all of the features, all of the things it comes with, including this 2x4 guide. In case you need to cut a 2x4 because it doesn't fit under the rail on the saw station, they give you a little tool so that you can still cut a 2x4. As you see there, you hook it up to the wood, cut once, flip it over, and bada bang, your 2x4 is now cut with it. But it's not perfect, guys and gals. It's not meant for heavy duty, all-day shop use. You're still somewhat limited depending on your saw setup. And if you're already running a full table saw setup, this might feel a little redundant. So yeah, is it really made for the professional? No, this is made, once again, for the DIYer who is not comfortable with bigger type tools and saws. This really makes sense if you're a DIYer, weekend builder, or somebody working in a small space. If you don't have room for big equipment but still want cleaner, more repeatable cuts, this fits in that lane really, really, really well. Like somebody that lives in New York City in a small apartment somewhere, this would be great for. Alright, let's go see how this thing cuts. We'll make a couple of cuts with it, and then we'll get into the final thoughts. So the big question is, would I still buy this tool today? And the answer is quite simple. Yes, I would. It isn't a slam dunk yes, like 120% yes. It's more like an 80% yes. It's not replacing a full shop setup, guys. That's not what I'm saying. But for what it is, it actually performs and delivers way above its price point. I think you can find this for $75 right now at Lowe's on clearance. That's a hell of a steal for this. And Bosch 12-volt batteries work on this. Not a lot of people know that. But I want to hear from you. Are you going to buy this, or is this just a straight up pass? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see everybody next Tuesday, baby.